Pick up poop, yeah, that's no fun. Brush their fur and clip those nails. Buy their food and wagging tails. A pet is not a toy, oh no. They need our love to grow and grow. Feed them, bathe them, clean their space. Give them hugs and warm embrace. It's work, it's fun, it's sometimes tough, but the love we share, that's more than enough. Sometimes they chew your favorite shoe or pee inside. Oh yes, it's true. But when they snuggle by your side, your heart